What's up guys, Malik here. So welcome back to the video. In this video we're going to be looking at how to use a Metamask wallet. You can use that to buy Ethereum type tokens, and then also how to get onto the Binance smart chain using the Metamask wallet, where you can buy other type of coins. They're not the main coins like Bitcoin, Ethereum, Cardano, Solana, not the main ones now, more of the more sketchy ones, but just to give you access to the entire world that's there. That's the Ethereum world, the Binance world, and then you can learn some little more by yourself, like doing your own research. Possibly check out the links down below under the video. You might find something useful, something you might like, some way to reach out to me, or something you might want to buy. And then thanks to anybody who actually came to my Instagram page and like reach out to me, talk to me. I have some videos here that I've done recently. You can check them out. And then if you want like hoodies like these, like the Ethereum hoodies, you can check them out on the Chopé.com, the CHOPE.com. But alright, so let's get into the video. So you might see a lot of different coins on COINMARKET, or if you ever hear about any type of coins on the news or wherever you get your media, you see it on social media, and you see Shiba Inu, Taboo token. Crypto is a crazy world. There's crazy things going on non-stop all through the day, especially in crypto. Look at this, I'm not even gonna pronounce it. And there's Buff Shiba, Meals, Robin, Inu, and they're just going crazy. You see the type of chains they're on, that's a network. So there's Binance chain, Ethereum chain, Avalanche chain, Solana chain. They're all different chains. So they're all different networks that have a different coin governance. So we're going to look at two of them today, Ethereum and Binance. Metamask makes it pretty easy for you to do this, so I want to keep this video pretty short and we can just go through it quick. Just the entire process, I can put it on the computer and then put it up on my phone somewhere on the screen here. So let's get into it. So I have the document for the Binance smart chain. I'll show you how we input that when we get to the Metamask. So I have Metamask here, metamask.io. You just go to the website, you download it. So I'm gonna download it now, and then you can add it to your browser. Okay, so it's a remove. Yeah, I'm going to remove it so I can add it fresh. So check it out. You just add it to your Chrome browser, or if you have Brave or Firefox, I think it works as well. Adding to Chrome, coming up now. Alright, just like that. Then it says get started. So you're going to go ahead and create a wallet, since this is going to be a brand new wallet if you're just creating. And then you have create a password. So I have a password, Stormy17. Stormy17. Boom. And then they give you the whole introductory video. Sure, you can skip through it if you want to, just skip a minute and 35 seconds.
Metamask is a new way to connect to sites and applications. On traditional websites, a central database or bank is responsible for controlling and recovering your accounts. But on Metamask, all of the power belongs to the holder of a master key. Whoever holds the key controls the accounts. Your secret recovery phrase is your master key. It's a series of 12 words that are generated when you first set up Metamask, which allow you to recover your wallet and funds if you ever lose access. It's important that you secure your wallet by keeping your secret recovery phrase very safe and very secret. If anyone gets access to it, they will have the master key to your wallet and can freely access and take all of your funds.
You hear that?
To secure your Metamask wallet, you'll want to safely save your secret recovery phrase. You can write it down in a safe deposit box, or use a secure password manager. Some users even engrave their phrase onto a metal plate. Nobody, not even the team at Metamask, can help you recover your wallet if you lose your secret recovery phrase. If you haven't written down your secret recovery phrase and stored it somewhere safe, do it now. We'll wait. And remember, never share your secret recovery phrase with anyone, not even us. If anyone ever asks you for it, they're trying to scam you. That's it. Now you know what a secret recovery phrase is and how to keep your wallet safe and secure.
Alright, so you hear that? Basically, they're giving you the full rights. You have to protect, store your keys that give you access to that wallet. So think about this. If Ethereum is worth money, then basically you have a bank there. You have a way to store value or money on the internet, and as you can see, I didn't enter my email or anything like that. The only thing that gives you access to the money inside and to access to see the account would be this phrase. So basically you just created a bank account, right, with this cryptocurrency, this internet money, and the only thing you need to access it or to transfer funds is that phrase. So that's why I'm really showing this video. So I have a secret recovery phrase now, and you'll see that come up. So I have this one here. Let me just save it. I can write it down too, because I'm going to put it on the phone. Okay. Yeah. Law, Fury, Differ, Fee. I'll skip ahead, you could. Fee, Exam, Catch, Giraffe, Chair, Filter, Travel, Over. Ooh. See this is how they're really trying to make sure you have the notes somewhere, so you have some record of it, so you can at least have access at the start. But after that, it's all up to you, unless you choose to reveal it. That is also an option. If you clear it from your devices and you reveal it, you're in big trouble. Right? So from there, you see, boom, you can, let me show you. You go here. If you send this is your Ethereum address now. You can send that to someone, and if they're sending Ethereum to your wallet, they use that, it comes straight to you, you have access to it. Also, if they know how to use the QR scanner, they can use that to send you Ethereum directly. So I'm going to show you if you send Ethereum to this wallet now. So I have a video coming up, not sure which one is going to be posted first, but I'm going to make sure to leave a card somewhere right now in the corner to show you. At the beginning of that video, I can show you how you go from the Cash App to free wallet, where you can exchange Bitcoin for Ethereum, and then also you can change Ethereum for Binance coin on that same app. But for this example, you would just have to send Bitcoin to the free wallet, and then you go from Bitcoin to Ethereum, and then from there you send the Ethereum straight to this, no cost. So you see, Ethereum, you're able to buy different type of coins here: Uni, DAI, all of these, Aave, Compound DAI. But what I wanted to show you with the Ethereum and Metamask, so if you're looking for an Ethereum based token, right, Granny Shiba, right? So look at this. Look at the price of Granny Shiba right now. And you would like to add it to Metamask, you just go to CoinMarketCap, look at Granny Shiba, add to Metamask. So click add. Let's see if it got there. Yes, we have Metamask. Yes, trying to add it to the extensions, but it's not coming up. 1 second. Okay. I might have to start it over. Okay, there you go. I pinned you, right? So you have MetaMask on your extensions right here. So what you would have to do, you go to the coin on CoinMarketCap, where I have it here, Granny Shiba. I don't know what this is now, guys, but look, add to MetaMask. There's some issue, so I'll just restart this. Look at this now. Alright, we're back. So I had to restart my Google Chrome. Don't know what was happening, but probably the MetaMask needed a fresh start. So we click add to MetaMask. You can only do this when it's on the Ethereum chain for now, but I'll show you how to add the Binance option to it. So you see add token, and from there, as I said, you'll see the card in the corner where you can look at the start of the video and see how you go from Bitcoin. In that method I use Cash App. You buy the Bitcoin on Cash App, send it to free wallet, exchange the Bitcoin for Ethereum, and then you can send the Ethereum straight to this address here. You would click on your account details, you input this into the free wallet, send it to this one. You can either use a QR code or this long string of alphanumeric letters and numbers. And once you get Ethereum here, you go to swap and you see G Shiba for the amount of Ethereum that you want to swap it, and then from there you would have that amount of token. Alright, so next let me show you how we're going to put the Binance Smart Chain onto the MetaMask, and from there you can access a lot different more of tokens on the Binance Smart Chain. You can access them easily using the CoinMarketCap website as well. So I can just put it down here. So when you put it on your MetaMask, I'll leave the Google Doc in the description as well, so you can click that and just read from it and add the exact same thing to yours. So you go settings, and then you go custom RPC. No, you go add network name. You can go Binance Smart Chain if you'd like. HTTPS BSC dataseed.binance.org/ chain ID 56, currency symbol BNB because it's Binance coin. HTTPS. This is where you can track the transactions that you're doing on the Binance Smart Chain. I must say the Binance Smart Chain is very sketchy. It's down a lot of times and there's a lot of issues with the Binance network, but people are still using it, so I don't know what to say there. So from here, so in the same method that I was talking about earlier, you can go from Bitcoin. Once you send it to the free wallet, you can swap it for Binance coin, and then from there you send the Binance coin to the Trust wallet, right? I can do that entire video as well. Where you go from Binance to Trust, and then from Trust wallet you can swap for the Binance Smart Chain coin, and from there you can send that directly to this address here, which would be a Binance Smart Chain coin here. So that's the only currency this will take, this chain. So you look Ethereum, and then you have the Binance chain here. So if we go to COINMARKET, Shiba Inu is a coin that's built on the Binance chain. It's also, no, it's not, wow, not Shiba. Shiba went straight with you. Yes, you're right. Well, you see Floki Inu is on the Binance Smart Chain as well. So if you want to add that, add token. So once you send the Binance Smart Chain token to here, you can easily swap for like any coin once you can add it to your Metamask there. So if we look at something right now, recently added, and look for something on the Binance, you see how many coins are dropping right now on the Binance chain. So Cockapoo coin. So if you want to buy some of this now, and these coins are, I don't even know, people are buying them though. But say you want to add it to Metamask, boom, add token. And that's the thing with crypto, it just, there's less barriers to entry, and it just allows you, if you want to go to the casino, you go to the casino. If you want to invest, if you really believe in what they have going on, you can invest in them with almost no limitations, or it's just a little bit harder, but it's easy to get in and to speculate if you feel like. But none of this is financial advice still, but it's just to show a method if anybody is really interested and don't know how to, and they probably don't want to ask anybody the question. You can just check out this video and it will give you insight. And remember, I'll have the other video where you can look and you can see the way to go from a Bitcoin on ramp, and then you send it to free wallet. Just once you get some Bitcoin, you send it to a free wallet. It's an Ethereum based exchange. From there you can go from Bitcoin to Ethereum, or you can go from Bitcoin to Binance. And then after that, if you need Binance Smart Chain tokens, you go to Trust Wallet, or you go to Pancake Swap. From there you can go to Binance Smart Chain, and then you'd have to send it to the Metamask and swap it. It's a lot of up and down, but it's up to you if you're interested in what's really going on here. It seems like the Wild West, it's pretty new, so let's see what really happens. I can see with the metaverse pushing, you see Engine Coin getting a lot of attention here. Engine Coin, Mana Coin, and the Sun, Dogs of Elon. A lot of things going on. I hope this video was good. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.